Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Dodge Journey key fob. First, locate the small release button or latch on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly to release the hidden emergency key. Once released, gently pull the emergency key straight out from the fob and set it aside. This key is essential for the next step in accessing the internal components. Now, carefully examine the key fob's casing. You should find a small slot or notch, often located near the opening where you just removed the emergency key. This specific slot is your entry point. It's designed to allow a tool to be inserted, helping you to gently separate the two halves of the key fob without causing damage to its delicate structure. With the slot located, take a small flathead screwdriver or a dedicated plastic pry tool. Insert the tip into the slot. Now, gently twist the tool. You should feel the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Work slowly and apply steady, light pressure around the seam to avoid cracking or damaging the plastic casing. The goal is a smooth, controlled separation. Once the fob is open, you'll see the small coin cell battery. Before removing it, carefully note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Most Dodge Journey fobs use a CR2032 battery. Gently pry out the old battery, then insert the new one, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and snap them back together until they are secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.